Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we are unboxing the Bullymake box. You have, hopefully, if you've watched my channel, you see my Bullymake unboxings. Last month, I actually did this unboxing with my neighbor's dog. However, it is really cold and windy. I was like, I want to try to get a day where it's nice and I can go over with the flash and just make the video. And unfortunately, it has been cold. And to make it inside somebody's house with their children, I don't want to impose like that. So we're going to do this style video so you guys can look right down into the box with me and really enjoy this. So this is the November box. If you're not familiar with Bullymake, it's $39 a month. You typically get two American-made rubber and nylon toys. So one of each, not two of each. 2 toys, 1 nylon, 1 rubber. And then 3 treats. Typically all made by Bullymake. They have these really cool, like everything is curated to the season. It's a really, really beautiful mix. And when I say beautiful, I mean like it comes together perfectly. They design everything. Like this is for Thanksgiving. There's a corgi stealing something from a turkey. I mean, like how cute is that? And then on the back, they'll show you the featured toys. My daughters are actually, well, my daughter, her Girl Scout troop is donating a bunch of items to the ARL. They're like having a drive, and so I will donate this entire box for the month to that because I think that's really nice. They do have prices here, and if you remember, you can rebuy for reorder. They give you the link to go to. So they do have a 14-day money-back guarantee. If your dog chews up the toy before the time is up, those 14 days, they'll send you a new one. So that's a really great option if you do have a dog that just chews through toys. That's the whole point of this. It's for power chewers. And they do go by the size of your dog. And they also, when you subscribe, will cater to sensitivities if your dog has allergies and things like that. All right, so let's get in here. So you can see our rubber toy for the month is a Kong, like that Kong style. It's a turkey, and it has the hole to put your bully stick or whatever you like to give your dog to gnaw on. But it is a turkey, which is the most adorable thing ever. I kind of can't wait to see what they do for Christmas. I remember last year there was like snowflakes and stuff like that. So, and it is orange, which you guys know I love orange. All right. Next up we have, this is Bullymake Peanut Butter Chicken Smokies. Now I don't want to open these up because we are donating them. And obviously they don't want, you know, opened dog treats. But that sounds, peanut butter chicken. And as you I don't know if you guys can see it through the light. They're like sticks. So they're like Slim Jim, dog Slim Jims. And then they do give you all the nutritional information and serving size on the back. 1 treat per 15 pounds per day. All right. Moving right along. Next we have Bullymake pumpkin pies. I can't really see, this bag's really thick. They do feel like whole little circles, like discs. I don't know if they're flavored with pumpkin. So turkey, pea starch, vegetable glycerin, yellow pea powder, tapioca starch, carrageenan, pumpkin powder. So they do have a pumpkin flavor to them. I'm sure it's not like, you know, what we'd imagine for a pumpkin, but it's in there. They incorporate it. All right. Bullymake drummies. So these are like little they really are drumsticks. I can feel them. Oh my gosh. So these are also made with turkey. Let's see what these are made with. These are made with chicken. And they do have peanut butter. And they're smoked flavor. So they do have a smoky smell and probably flavor. So I think that's really interesting. They do put a lot of good ingredients into their dog treats. And sometimes they send out those mint ones. Do you remember that? Those were really cool. All right, so our final item in our Bullymake box for November is our pie slice. So this is a nylon toy, pumpkin pie. This incredibly tough toy is made in the USA using USA-sourced nylon. This toy encourages positive chewing behaviors. Chewing helps promote clean teeth by controlling plaque and tartar buildup, long-lasting and durable. So here it is. It is a literal slice of pumpkin pie. How cute is that? I'm loving it. Oh my gosh. How funny. So anyway, guys, I will link down below to my Bullymake, with my affiliate link, and then I'll also link to my full review. I will link, oh, I don't know who else I'll link to something else too. No. Thank you guys for watching. If you have a dog like this video, let me know your dog's name down below. I'd love to know how many of you guys have dogs, what their names are, what kind of dog they are they fun, are they kind of lazy, are they just chilling all the time? You know, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!